Play bait. What's up, bro? Something small. We got some. Got a little fight. And it's probably catfish. Catfish. Probably another catfish. Feels like catfish. Another catfish. Welcome back to the flounder spot. Somebody here today? Yeah, somebody here. Man, water looks good. Water's looking kind of green. It's brown in Galveston. It looks good over here. This looks perfect. Look at this. High tide too. All right, got that bait from Clear Lake yesterday. Froze it. Let's test the water out. Let's see. Feels pretty good. Look at this. Ooh, black trout. Yes. He's a little feisty one. He's a little feisty one. Got him. Yeah. He's a little feisty one. That's definitely a keep. We're gonna measure him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 15. Nice. Stealing the bait. Oh, we got a good croaker bait. That's who's stealing the bait. Another croaker bait. Save these guys for bait. Oh. We're alive, boys. We're alive. Good one too. Look at that drag. Come over here. Come over here. That was a good one too. Ooh. Got some fight. Ooh, look at that drag. Ooh. This got some fight to him. Blow it up. Blow it up. Yeah, blow it up. Still going. Still going. Ooh, big black. Ooh, that's a big black. That's a nice black. Perfect size. Perfect size. That's a big slot. Big slot. Heavy slot. Heavy slot. Come on. Come on. It's done. It's done. Oh, you're in the bucket, bro. You're in the bucket, bro. Look at that, boys. Perfect slot. That's a big one. Perfect, boys. Look at that, boy. Perfect slot. Say what's up to the subscribers. Let's measure this boy. Oh, he fought like a red. Just took off. Ooh, that is perfect. 22. Yep, 22. Perfect, boys. Perfect slot. That's how we do it, boys. In G-Town. Oh, G-Town. Check this out, boys. Come and get you some. You know where I'm at. Another day, another fish. Let's go. Until we fish again. Ladies and gentlemen, appreciate y'all tuning in to another episode of Surfside Jetty channel in G-Town and Clear Lake. And anywhere the fish at, we're looking for. You already know. That's how we do it, boys and girls.